Why are we just sitting here? I told you like 50 times already, Sammy. We're taking a break. Taking a break from what? Hiking. Alright? Hiking. What is the... What the... Look, we've already been here for like an hour already. This is not a break. This is like a very long break. Like an hour break. Sammy, if you don't shut up, I'll hit your beak. I just got this beak. Actually, I don't got this beak, but... Okay. You know what? Look, I'm sorry for yelling at you, okay? But we're just taking a break. This is no break I took since I was born. What? You know what? I'm just making that joke. No, just go home already. Can't we just go home already? Fine, go home. Pack your things, let's go. I didn't pack anything. So did I. Come on, let's go. Finally. Sam, are you coming? Yes, I'm coming. Eh? Chat this. What, Sammy? I built something. There's something in this cave. What cave? Back here. Alright, Sammy, what is it? I think I found an eagle in this cave. An eagle? Yes, take a look. There's an eagle though. Sammy, that's just a statue of an eagle, not a real eagle. Oh. I was hoping it was real because I could keep it as a pet though. Even if it was real, Sam, you can't keep it as a pet because it's a wild animal. So just go home. But I want to keep the statue anyway. Why you want to keep the statue? Because I like eagles, you know? They're one of my favorite creatures on earth. Are you sure that's not nobody else's? Who would leave this stuff in the cave? I don't think so. Fine, you can take it. But it could be bears in there, so be careful. Bears? No, I'll take it back. I don't want to get that eagle from the bear's cave. It's not a bear's cave. You say it's a bears in there. I said it could be. There ain't no bears in there. Look. Bears? See? Ain't no bears in there. Just go ahead. Take it. Okay. If you say so, there ain't no bears or snakes and spiders in there. Actually, if there are spiders in there. Spiders! Calm down. They're just small ones. You know what? I'll get them myself. But you said there's spiders in there. They're poisonous. No, they're not poisonous. Dang, this eagle is stuck in there. Well, can't get the eagle. Well, let's go. But I want to keep the eagle. I want to keep the eagle though. Fine. Yeah, I got you out. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! I got you out. Finally, for 3 hours, I got you out. Okay, Jadis, I'm ready to go home now. Shut this off. 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 Shut this. Shut this. Take the boat! Dude! You okay, my little girl? Okay? Yeah, me too. I'm okay too. Okay? Oh. Well, hey, at least we counter a giraffe. They're not dangerous or scary at all. Imagine any other animals out there. Oh, take me. Let's get out of here before we get eaten. Oh no. Ah, no. Hey, at least we get away from that rainbow, right? Are you sure about that? Huh? What's your name, sir? Sammy? Well, Sammy, would you like to stay for dinner? I really like to, but I'm not really hungry right now. We're not really hungry right now. Are you hungry? No? Yeah. She said no. We're not hungry. So, if we can be on my way, we'll not be on your way. No. I can't let you go. Why? Because I'm very hungry and I'm always alone when I eat. Please, can y'all be my guests? Fine. Okay. We'll be your. Wait a minute. No, you're trying to eat me, aren't you? What? Don't be silly. I'm not gonna eat you. You're too cute to be eaten. Well, I am rather handsome, and I am handsome, and I am I handsome to you? Yes. Well, thank you, girls. I am pretty handsome. Am I enough talk? I mean, please be my guest. Would you like to eat it? I'll just eat right here. What do you got for me to eat? Anything you want to eat. Okay, you got some berries? Sure. Got berries. Just hold up. Well, for a python, she's nice. What do you think? She's nice though? Yeah, me too. Huh? What's going on, man? I'm just taking you for somewhere else to eat. Why not? Why not over there? Because there's spiders over there. You're scared of spiders, right? Oh, yes, yeah. Thank you. No problem. I think you're squeezing me too hard. That's the point. I'm having you for dinner. What? No! Huh? Who saved me? Hey, did you did it? I'll get you. Come, let's get out of here before something else happens. Alright. I think we're safe now. Under this leaf. On these leaves. What the heck was that? But just for me. Good night, my friend. Good night. Hopefully we'll find our way back home tomorrow. Good night, everybody.